Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Nyesom Wike's honeymoon with the APC may be over. This is because the APC stakeholders are unhappy with the way Nyesom Wike is running the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. Now, Nyesom Wike is sitting at top of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja as minister because of the role he played in unexpected win, unquote, in quote, of Bola Ahmed Tinubu in Rivers State during the last presidential election. It is widely believed that he was rewarded for helping Tinubu win Rivers State, in quote, because independent verification by the BBC and the Premium Times using result on the IRF show that it was actually P2B that won the election. But INEC declared President Bola Ahmed Tinubu as the winner of Rivers State. And it is widely believed that Nyesom Wike was instrumental in that victory. And Nyesom Wike has been rewarded. In fact, Nyesom Wike is the only politician who is having both worlds politically. He has one leg in the PDP, the opposition party. He has one leg in the APC, the ruling party. In fact, in Rivers State, the thing has gotten to the level where Bola Ahmed Tinubu has handed the APC in that state to Nyesom Wike, to the level that a Nyesom Wike Laki Chuks is the caretaker committee chairman of the APC at the expense of the real APC led by former governor of Rivers State, former minister of transportation, Chibika Amechi. You know that Chibika Amechi had been the leader of the APC since 2015 or thereabout. In fact, even before 2015, ahead of the 2015 election, he was the leader of the APC in Rivers State and has continued to be so. The reason they sideline Amechi now is because Amechi was a major threat to Bola Ahmed Tinubu picking the presidential ticket of the APC, because Amechi was in a pole position to pick that ticket. So Tinubu has not forgiven him for the fact that he had the temerity to come up to present himself and was in a good position to win. But apparently Tinubu outspent him, you know, in that APC presidential primary where they had dollar in. It appeared that Amechi was not able to match them dollar by dollar. Maybe perhaps because of the number of governors from the north that abandoned Amechi. But you can see in that primary, Amechi came second. And another threat to Tinubu, that is Professor Yemi came third, distance third. But Amechi was the person that came too close. And Amechi also knows Tinubu too well, and Tinubu knows him too well. In fact, it was Amechi. Amechi said that he was among those who opposed the appointment of Mahmoud Yakubu to be the INEC chairman, but he lost out in that game because he alleged that Mahmoud Yakubu is in the camp of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So Amechi protested his appointment of Mahmoud Yakubu, the INEC chairman, but he was the candidate that the Tinubu camp pushed for, and eventually President Buhari appointed him. So the role that Yakubu played in that election, Amechi already foresaw it before it happened. So there was no love lost between both of them. So I can tell you for free that Tinubu was glad to hand over APC structure or whatever is remain of the APC in River State to Nyesom Wike right now, because Nyesom Wike is now running. I told you he's living in both worlds. He's running the APC and PDP. He's running the APC in River State, but he's having problem with his governor in terms of control of the PDP. He's controlling a part of the PDP, but that part is already in tatters because they have defected to the APC so that they can be able to fight the River State governor right now, Simi Fubara. So that is the world that Nyesom Wike is living, and he had been enjoying these both worlds. But right now, in the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is receiving complaints and petitions against Nyesom Wike, mainly from the APC stakeholders. Recently, the convener of that group of the APC stakeholder, Abdul Wahab Kainde, addressed a press conference where he made it clear that Nyesom Wike has to be called to order by Bola Ahmed Tinubu. If not, that Nyesom Wike will do irreparable damage in the political future of Tinubu, especially in the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. Now, what is the issue? They said that Nyesom Wike, the appointment he had been making since he became the minister of the FCT had been lopsided. He had been appointing mostly his loyalists from the People's Democratic Party. That he had been appointing his loyalists from the People's Democratic Party. So that's why they are calling on Bola Ahmed Tinubu to call him to order before he destroys not only the APC, the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, he will destroy Tinubu's political structure, according to them. So Abdul Wahab Kainde faulted Nyesom Wike and said that Nyesom Wike has blocked out everybody. He doesn't want to see the FCT chairman of the APC. He doesn't want to see any stakeholder. They have been writing tons of letters to him. He doesn't give a damn. He doesn't care about them. They say Tinubu should watch it, that he will pay a price for what Nyesom Wike is doing. And they said that Nyesom Wike being appointed by Tinubu as Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, and that Tinubu being the Governor General, in their own words, being the Governor General of the FCT, appointed Nyesom Wike to run the FCT on his behalf, and that Nyesom Wike must take care of the structure of Bola Ahmed Tinubu in the FCT. But they said that instead of taking care of the structure of Bola Ahmed Tinubu in the FCT, Nyesom Wike is busy taking care of his own structure. So Nyesom Wike, they say, is taking care of his own structure at the expense of the structures of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in the FCT. They made reference to the fact that Nyesom Wike had gone to Rivers State to complain that no one can take away his structure. And they're now asking him, why is he taking away the structure of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu by not maintaining the structure that he made on ground that is taking care of the politics of Bola Ahmed Tinubu in the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. In fact, they said that why is Nyesom Wike killing the political structure of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who appointed him, while he is also taking care of his own structure from River State. They made reference to the fact that many people Nyesom Wike had appointed since he came to office are from River State. And then when questions were asked, said that after all, Tinubu did not win FCT. They now say, how could Tinubu win FCT if the process they follow is that those who work for Tinubu will not be given an appointment? And they allege that already other political parties are wooing them. So if their structure is not taken care of, Tinubu might even perform worse in FCT next time. That's what they are saying. And of course, many of us are aware that Bola Ahmed Tinubu did not get up to 25% of the vote cast in the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. In fact, he got less than 20% of the vote cast in the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. But these people are saying, even at that, at least they contributed to the victory of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and they deserve to be rewarded, instead of Nyesom Wike going to Port Harcourt, going to River State to go and bring people and give them appointments that should normally go to FCT supporters of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And they made some very important observation. Yeah, that's they noted that many of those that Nyesom Wike is bringing to Abuja and giving them appointment, that they don't have, they are not from any ward in the FCT. They are not card-carrying members of APC political party. During the election, they don't even have voters card in Abuja. So during the election, they will be of no value, despite the fact that they have been empowered by the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. During the election, they will all go back to their states or their local government to go and vote and abandon the territory. And they say, okay, so how do you ensure victory for the president when those who have been appointed cannot even vote for him in the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja? So that, my friend, is one thing that when he sink into Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he will eventually call Nyesom Wike to order. Because, truth be told, if election in Nigeria is free and fair, these are issues that are likely to affect Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Already, the FCT didn't vote for him, and it's not for anything else. It's just basically because APC was a disaster, or is a disaster, both before the election and after the election. Even right now, I don't see any reason why APC will vote for Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2027. I mean, in the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, that Tinubu will win in the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, in 2027. But these guys are making a valid argument that they may not be able to win, but at least they worked, that they need to be taken care of for the work that they did in the past. They campaigned for Bola Ahmed Tinubu, they did everything. So why are they being abandoned? Why are they being abandoned? All the APC stakeholders, they said they have written series of letters. He didn't even care to reply anyone, according to Abu Wahab Kahinde. So all these are indication that all is not well with Nyesom Wike. Despite the braggadocio that he used to show around, because the president would like to make an impressive result in 2027 in the FCT, no doubt about it. And if Nyesom Wike is seen to marginalize the APC at the expense of Tinubu, I can tell you that Tinubu will act. So Nyesom Wike should watch his back. He better find a way to take care of these stakeholders, because these guys are making valid proposition, in the sense that you can't have a situation where monkey they walk, baboon they chop. That's that's a summary of what they are saying. So Nyesom Wike should know that there are people who are taking note of what he's doing, and the presidency is gonna take action soon if it doesn't accommodate others, especially those APC guys, because the truth of the matter is that so many people are uncomfortable with Nyesom Wike being in PDP and working for Bola Ahmed Tinubu in APC. There are many people who I have spoken with in the APC, both at the national level, who are uncomfortable with Nyesom Wike's rising profile at the expense of the APC political party. Yes, Nyesom Wike may at every opportunity talk about the fact that he's a loyalist of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that he fought for the presidency to go south, and that he's a man of his word, that and all that kind of talk. But we know that the reason why Nyesom Wike was insisting that the presidency go to the south, and he worked against Atiku Abubakar of the People's Democratic Party, was because he lost out in the primaries of the presidential ticket of the PDP. Because Nyesom Wike was not a believer in fairness, justice, and equity. Nyesom Wike was among the PDP stakeholders who vehemently opposed zoning the presidential ticket of the party to the southeast, the zone that had never produced a president since 1999, which ordinarily ought to have been given the right of first refusal about the presidency of the PDP, presidential candidate of the PDP. Nyesom Wike worked against it, using the people he planted in the People's Democratic Party. At the end of the way, there was no consensus again on zoning, because the idea was to zone the presidency to the southeast. But Nyesom Wike will have none of that, because Nyesom Wike is not a believer in justice, fairness, and equity. Now he goes about making noises about how he fought for South to get power. He didn't fight for it. He was just playing his own selfish politics. Because look at it. If you believe in fairness, justice, and equity, Nyesom Wike would have supported, with the leverage he had over the party, PDP, he would have supported the zoning of the presidency to the southeast, as was clamored by several stakeholders of the PDP and others. But Nyesom Wike walked against it because he wanted to be president, and he's from South-South. South-South had already produced Goodluck Jonathan as president. So it was after Nyesom Wike scattered the zone in the PDP, and Atiku Abubakar outmaneuvered him and emerged the presidential candidate of PDP, that he all of a sudden he became somebody who believed in justice, believed in equity. Okay, and I think that's basically it. I think even Tinubu himself should know that that was what played out. It's not that he had any special liking for Tinubu. It's just because he lost out in PDP and he wanted to, literally speaking, teach Atiku Abubakar a lesson by ensuring that he doesn't emerge the president of Nigeria. That was what played out. So Nyesom Wike is a selfish politician like so many of them in this country. So those people have raised sensitive questions. By the time Tinubu begin to think about it, I can tell you that Nyesom Wike will not be comfortable. Because what those people are planting is dangerous ideas in Tinubu's head, telling him that Nyesom Wike, look at the appointments he's making, many of them from Rivers. He's maintaining his own structure in Rivers State while destroying your own structure in the federal capital territory, Abuja. And you know that man is inherently selfish. When Tinubu reflects over this, he will take action. And if Wike doesn't adjust to how these people want and they continue to apply this pressure, Tinubu may sacrifice him and bring in somebody from APC that will do the needful for him. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.